guys, so I'm standing in front, well, I'm kneeling in front of my Milsbo tall Ikea greenhouse cabinet, and I have some plants that are outgrowing the cabinet, and so I decided, because I want to, some of these I just feel like they still need a little more time in the cabinet, and so what I'm wanting to do is first I'm just going to take everything off of these bottom two shelves, and this one is just really taken off here. This is the philodendron composta part. This thing was like all but dead, and it's just like made a roaring comeback. I love that. I love seeing that. And so I know that it's really enjoying the humidity in the cabinet, so I don't want to take it out. This is another avocado, and I really need to take this out and kind of clean this guy up, get it some fresh water and everything. It's doing well, but it's just got a lot of algae, so I'm going to clean that out. But what I have these are corner shelves that I would like to put in the cabinet and try and create some space so that things can kind of continue to grow up. This is an Anthurium palladiforum. No, I'm sorry, Valinorium. I never get it right, but anyway, not sure what's going on with that leaf. Don't see any bugs or anything on the plant, but she's doing well in the cabinet, and she's been in here for quite a while. So I'm just going to move these things out, and I'll show you guys. I'll just keep filming, and I'll show you guys as I get things put back together what it's going to look like. Not real sure what to do with my lighting just yet, but I feel like I have room for taller plants now, and I have light there. I just think I want to at least, I don't really know what to do with the lighting. Maybe tip it. top shelf down one. Okay. I'm just going to put these back in here for now. Okay. Like that. Okay, well, I have it put together pretty much. Still working on the lighting at the bottom here. Almost like I could just lose this part, but then let's just see what that looks like. Not bad. But we'll see if I need to add more lighting back down there. I kind of that light. I think it'll be even there. I'm going to leave it there for now, and I have the pink princess that is going to go about here. So might put, yeah. Oh, I wanted to clean that up, so okay. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. I'm still working on a couple things, but I like being able to get larger plants at the bottom. And I'm going to work on positioning this light. But that's okay for now. And I'll put the pink princess. Put the pink princess right there. Let's go get her. This is the mama plant that has been living in this cabinet, and I just want to give her, let's see, is that another one? That's the last one. So just giving her some space there. Yeah, maybe I can possibly, let's see. Let's take that out for a second. And put that in there. Yes. And then I can put something there. I'm going to move this one up. Let's see. There. Oh, this is my Rudsta. I love the color that it adds to the cabinet. Okay. All right. Well, I'm liking that. I don't think I have. Oh, I need to get my CB blue. Find a place for her. Maybe put this here. This is my gloriosum propagation. So we'll put the CB blue there. And she's finally given a new leaf there. So she had gotten down to the one leaf. She is in perlite. I'm just gonna leave her in perlite for a little while, and then eventually I'll transfer her to this new soil that I've mixed up, or maybe even pond, but she'll fit nicely right here and be out of the way. So yeah, we're gonna try this setup for a little bit. But you know, the thing about these cabinets is that you're forever adjusting and moving and those sort of things to make room as plants grow and move out of the cabinet and everything. So I will keep you guys posted. All right, so here we go. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for joining me for this video of updating my Milsbo tall brown or black, depending on your perspective, cabinet. I really appreciate you guys, and please like, subscribe, comment at the bottom, and I will see you in the next plant care video, because when you have over 250 plants, there's plant care every day, really, but you may only film once a week. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.